Mixing between languages is a very hot topic. Let's talk about it.
Let's explain when and how mixing between languages happens. It's a natural behavior to a bilingual person. It happens when they would like to explain themselves more, say a quoting, or show their personality. According to extensive research in this field, exposure to multiple languages and the practice of code switching can actually enhance cognitive abilities in children, such as creativity, problem-solving skills, and flexibility. Code switching has also social and cultural benefits, such as maintaining relationship with different adults who speak different languages. To summarize this topic, I've learned that what matters the most is the exposure that the child has in each language, not the avoiding of mixing between the languages, which happens by ensuring that the child gets rich and consistent exposure to each language you are trying to teach them. For example, you have decided to speak to your child in Arabic every time you put them to sleep, and your husband comes in, he speaks Somali, and you speak back to them in Somali. So your child's seeing the code switching. But since you are consistent on when and where you speak each language, is not going to be any language development problems. If you have any questions on the topic, please leave them in the comment below. And you are interested in the topic generally, follow to see more videos like this.